So this is the HTC Hero. The first thing you'll notice, I'll take you through, is that there are 7 home screens, and those 7 home screens change depending upon the scene which you're in. The scene is basically a shortcut which can then customize the device for whether you're at work, rest, play, or even customize it for you for a particular scene or scenario where you may be in either your work or home life. The particular one here, I'll take you through what those 7 screens are. You can either use your finger to scroll across to all 7 scenes, or you can use the roller ball The 7th screen is normally blank, and therefore you can, by using the menu key, you can add any widget. So for example, let's look at the HTC widgets for a second. Let's look at on the clocks. You can use a variety of clocks. Let's see, for example, the London clock, and that will then appear on your 7th screen. You can see the integration of Facebook and Twitter. So it's not just a pure text, but it's also integrates images as well. And obviously, by tapping on that particular client, it'll take you into the full detail. I mentioned before about the scenes. So, for example, I'll take you to scenes. I'll take you to Custom 2, which is my own one. It's asked me to save the changes that I've made. I may as well do that. See, the whole UI is now changed. So on this particular, this is the play screen. It changes the functionality. So for example, you now have weather as one of your home screens, and you can tell, actually, just using the weather app, for example, it will automatically know where you are, download the latest weather and give you a 5-day forecast. But actually clicking on the app will give you a list of 8 other locations in the world, which again are customizable. You still have your Twitter integration, but this time you have albums. So you could set any album in there. You could even link that to your Facebook or Flickr page, so the album will display the images that are on Facebook or Flickr. This one, for example, links to the music player, and even the bookmarks on the HTC Hero are rich. So not just text-based. It'll take you to any one of the predetermined bookmarks, or even just add your own. And again, that 7th screen is completely customizable for yourself as well. You can go into the main menu at any time. Obviously that same functionality exists. You can see the variety of applications that we have on there. Like barcode scanner, lightsaber, whatever you would like. Going back to the home screen, it talks about the integration of those services. So if I pick, for example, I'll pick, who do I like? I will pick this lady here. And what it will do, you see before, it will integrate and filter all of the texts, messages, and any other data relating to that person into one place. So I don't have to search through all of my content. That aggregates all of the mail, updates and events. And when you go to albums, obviously you have the link to Facebook and Flickr. So what that could do is download the images that are on those websites down to your handset, or vice versa. And again, it has the call history. So we talk about the device and about the sense philosophy upon which HTC builds its devices. That really has people at the heart of everything that we do, and making sure people can communicate with people at any point in time and access even historical data as quickly and as easy as possible. The search function on here is not just a search function for the internet, but actually it's a search function to filter through any given menu that you're in. So that could be content, it could be people, it could be anything with regards to the content that you have on the device.